Joseph Bassey, 1960. I'm a clan head of the Ekondo clan. And I'm from Edemodo Okonede Manati Minanka Atu Yoko. I want to thank the Prof Miller, for the lecture that he had delivered. And I want to say that briefly, that if you were not to be an Ekpo title holder, I will not allow you to appear as is appearing now. And I want to observe too that most of our people who intend to carry out this type of research cannot successfully do it because they don't want to be Ekpo title holders. And for you to have that courage, traveling so many thousands of miles to come here and do the research is something that I give you 95%. I intentionally withhold 5% because I cannot give you all 100%. Please, Prof, I have heard all that you have said, but psychologically, it appears to me that you did not want to expatiate more on the complexity of paper. You carefully avoided doing that. But permit me to say, or to ask you, for the interest of others, because I'm an Ekpo title holder of Ekpo Eyo. From your experience as Ekpo title holder, what are the negative sides of Ekpo relating against religion? Secondly, because my comments relate to the fact that most of our people are saying very bad things against Ekpo. If you appear as I'm appearing now, which is very traditional, they say I'm Ekpo man. So that most of our people who should appear as I'm appearing now, they are almost in suits, which I have had. Or Danchiki, which does not relate to our culture in Cross River State. So please, what are the negative sides against Ekpo as far as religion is concerned? I mean Christian religion. Secondly, what is the observation relating to sacrifice often made at Ekpo shrine? But I'm asking you this as a Ekpo title holder. If you don't answer this, then we know what to do.
But Abakua in Cuba is an African institution out of context, so it's misunderstood there. But among the membership, it is known that the requirements needed to join are: you have to be a good son, a good father, a good brother, a good friend. And before one is initiated, they are studied for many years. And if you have any kind of fault, if you're a thief or something like that, you won't be able to, no matter how much money you have. So there are very strict moral requirements. Now, that's just to become a first level. At the very top, there's only a few men in all of Cuba that are able to work with the innermost objects, let's say. So even after that, there's you are always tested about your moral qualities in that society. About, just very briefly, one of the things that I admire about African traditions, indigenous ones, is that they're inclusive. They don't let's say, they don't say it's our belief system and only that one. Reject the rest. And it's one of the difficulties I have with Christianity as a force that is being used to destroy other cultures. If you're not with us, then you're Satan or something like that. And I find that very unfortunate. That's my answer.